What's going on, everyone? Today is July the 21st, 2023. Here to talk about Bitcoin Cash today and trying to figure out who in the world ignited this sell panic that occurred into the market in Bitcoin Cash since my last price prediction. You guys can tell that price has gone against what I thought price was going to do initially back there on July the 13th. I was looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash to at least hold this consolidational trader range, and it's definitely something that we need to talk about today. Because even though price is trading below our support area, you guys can see it's right here, we may actually see price continue to go lower because of some rejection that has gone on over the last couple of trading days. So I really wanted to talk to you all about that as well. So let me go ahead and talk about the price action in Bitcoin Cash since my last video. You guys can see on the day that I did the video, the market has already garnered us an indicator of weakness. So that was already the first clue to tell us that we was on the wrong side of the market in Bitcoin Cash. That indicator of weakness right there. And the weakness following July the 13th continued all the way until the 17th. And now, since July the 17th, the market in Bitcoin Cash at least momentarily has found a bottom. And that just may be momentarily. So yes, this price prediction right here that you guys see on the chart did not go the way I expected it to go. And it will happen. That's why I come through and give you all expectations as to what should occur. And if it doesn't, you already know you need to exit out your position to save yourself on maximizing losses, which we don't want to do. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right here in Bitcoin Cash. And the first thing we're going to do is simply identify the trend. We have saw price in Bitcoin Cash make a slow descension in price ever since this massive run up on June the 21st. The market topped out on June the 30th, and since that time, June the 30th, price in Bitcoin Cash has gone down. So I'm just going to simply change the direction as to where price is trying to go in Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so you can see how price currently is trending down. There's nothing else to it. As long as price in Bitcoin Cash continue to follow this angle, this direction, price will go lower. So we need to make an idea, okay, which one of these two lines has the greater chance of breaking? Is it this lower area of support? Will that break, or will the market price in Bitcoin Cash continue to break above this upper descending line? What do you think? Because currently the market here in Bitcoin Cash is weak, and I'm gonna show you why. So let me hit this back over because I wanted to show you how you can tell price is weak and that buyers, they're seeing rejection on this once area that was holding as support. Okay, market in Bitcoin Cash fell below support of 251, 252, and ever since that time price fell below it, the market has attempted to trade back up above $252. You can see it on these 2 days right here, July the 19th, as well as on the 20th. The market tried to come back up above 252 and it couldn't do it. And that's another clue, another indication to tell us that this currency is currently still weak. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on the chart. Now let's look at Bitcoin Cash on the 2-day time frame. Here it is. We have 13 hours left on this current 2-day price bar. The market is still weak. Let's look at it on the 3-day time frame. And from a 3-day perspective, you guys can see at the weakness on these two 3-day price bars on top of the massive selling that occurred on this 3-day price bar on June the 30th. I'm just showing you all the information. Here it is on the 5. Again, what do we see? Well, we see weakness. We see up fakes created consecutively over the last 10 days on these two 5-day price bars. And we're still seeing weakness currently. This is another reason on the weekly chart as to why price in Bitcoin Cash is garnering more weakness than it is strength. So now we need to contemplate and figure out, okay, where could be the next area of support. So I zoomed out of this weekly price chart to show you that the next area for Bitcoin Cash would be here. Okay. And then I'm gonna do another target. here. So I think I'm just going to do 2 targets for Bitcoin Cash. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. And rather than cause confusion, I'm just going to go ahead and show you where those targets are at. That first one is going to be at 230, 231, 232. That's 4.72%. And then my third one is going to be down here towards like 215, which is 11.43%. Move to the downside. So those are my 2 targets for Bitcoin Cash. Okay. Now, price in Bitcoin Cash continues to trade below 267. Well, yeah, we'll do 267. Let's run that back. 270. Price in Bitcoin Cash continues to trade below 270. We are understanding that the market is going to continue to trend in this direction until the upper descending line breaks. Price breaks that to the upside. Okay, so that's it. You guys can see it's not a big area as of right now, but the market is definitely waning in terms of how pumped it was back in the ending of June. We're definitely seeing that demand wane. So just want to compensate for that. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. As always, you're up. Give me your price prediction in the market for Bitcoin Cash. Let me know where you think the price is headed. This is what I'm thinking currently, concerning what has occurred since my prior video and what we're seeing on the chart as of today. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.